So top companies to shoot for, jobs that involve traveling, jobs that are remote. Okay, so top companies to shoot for. It really depends on what kind of company you want to work for. You know, a lot of the large, like Fortune 500 kind of companies, those are going to have a lot of opportunity. Typically, those roles will be very focused because they have so many people on their staff. Um, you know, they're going to be not as dynamic typically as far as what happens. So things might move slower. If you go to a 100-person startup, for instance, on the other hand, things are going to move very quickly. You also might not have as much organization, right? You're kind of learning things in those companies. Um, and you'll also get exposure to more areas because they just don't have as many people. So you're going to be responsible for more. Jobs that involve traveling, consulting companies. Consulting companies typically have a lot of travel. Um, some more than others, but if you like traveling, I would look at consulting companies. And then jobs that are remote, it's going to vary. Typically a lot of the tech companies will have remote opportunities. So, anything with software development or anything like that, SaaS-based companies, cloud-based companies, those kind of companies will definitely have remote operations. Um, Things that are like manufacturing or that you would think would require a big plant. So like um, I mean, it's hard right now. It's difficult because some of these companies do allow remote. Like I think Apple and stuff like that, they're allowing remote work. Um, probably indefinitely. But traditionally, companies like that have those big manufacturing plants, they were on site, right? So, but like a Google, where it's all cloud based stuff, they're going to allow a little bit more flexibility in there.